On my journeys, I met a gentleman named Tom who has converted himself a schoolie bus right here in Saskatchewan. We met at the Gateway Festival when I had the ambulance Van Vita out there with me, and he came over and took a look, invited me to come by and check his schoolie out, and told me about a washer that he made that run off of 12 volts. And in fact, he had a second one that he was going to give to me. So this segment is about the 12 volt clothes washer that he built. So Tom has built his own washer that runs off of 12 volt.
Yeah.
And he has an extra one that he is so kindly putting together for me so that I can do laundry in the ambulance. I'm quite excited to see how this works. You're probably the most creative person I've ever met.
Well, there's more to meet.
What the heck?
And then you just put it.
That's awesome.
And that'll hold a lot of weight.
So
you just put your water in the top there.
okay.
Put it in about 1.5 gallons. Put your clothes in. Put this on. And it'll do all the washing for you.
Well, is that something?
And here she is ringing.
So you just plugged it in 12 volts.
This is
into
a
there?
12 volt supply. You can get extensions or add to the wire.
Now what is this? A switch off and on.
Off and on, that's it.
And that's a handle for carrying it?
Yeah.
And this what I can keep my soap?
Soap and your plug-in wiring.
Oh, okay.
And I will teach you this here. Should this come off on you
Okay.
during carrying it, it's made to just lift off.
Oh, okay.
So see that hole that lines up with there? So you just put that on there and line that up. That's
Oh, and
it.
the arm goes on here and that agitates
That's
it?
Yeah, that's a windshield wiper motor
Really?
from a car. And what this is for is you could have another bucket sitting here full of fresh water, and then you would just put your clothes in there, lift this one off, put the new clothes in there, and let it rinse out the.
Wow.
Just by-
Do-it-yourself 12 volt washer
There you go.
that I can easily pack up and store because of the pail, as long as there's room for that. And then this sideways,
Yeah.
you've got carrying handles for it.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You know, everywhere I've been on this little journey for the last couple weeks, I've come across somebody that has gifted me something. Like, am I not the luckiest person
Well,
ever?
people are kind. They can be. People are always kind to honest people.
Oh, well, thank you for that,
It's
Tom.
really easy.
So what's your next project?
I don't know. Grab your bucket.
All right. We'll go put it away. Thank you so much, Tom, for the washer. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to find out more about my journeys or some of the things that I've come across, subscribe to the channel, maybe give it a like, and I'll see you in the next episode.